Who brought me here? Who are you? Show yourself. Oh, so I see you're finally awake. You know how long it takes you to wake up? Okay, this is not fun. Like, who the hell is talking to me? Oh god, why do it? What is every person I literally just randomly find wanna exactly know who I am? Well, duh. I barely knew. I literally do not know you. Who are you? My name. Your name is what? Oh shit, I just forgot my name. Well, damn it, you failed. I forgot my name every time. Listen, ever since your dad became possessed, I decided to save your life. Save my life? Yeah, right. I'm serious. I saved your life from your dad since your dad is getting possessed by a stranger. What? Oh my god, you literally do not know his name, don't you? No I don't. Plus, I do not know you. And second plus, I literally have no idea who the hell you are. Look, I need you to do this. To survive this, you need to collect you need to collect slaps. Oh, great. I'd seen this game. Slap battles. Why did it have to be slap battles? Well, if you want to survive. Now, the one thing I think is kind of funny is the whoa. Okay, I kind of almost have all hands because my dad, my dad has not heard about this game, but I told him about it. But I'm gonna exactly choose the whoa. Well, good luck. I mean, some people will be powerful than you, so. No, oh, an asshole. Yeah, they have a cooldown. Well, yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, good luck. Still works. Like I said, some people will be powerful than you. Are you Darkstalker or something? What? No, I'm not. Oh my god. Okay, then, are you Jesus? What? I'm a dragon who has been, I don't know, kind of been boring. Okay, if you've been bored, how come you're not the one who possessed my dad? That guy definitely deserved it. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. There's a cannon here. Yeah, no crap. It's not like I forgot about that. And also something can actually kill you really fast. Like this guy? No, only the acid. God damn it. Or even the ghost. That ghost. You're still alive. Stop overreacting. Okay, fine. Yeesh. Ugh. Why do I have to do this? Well, duh. Because I'm challenging you. Challenging me? To what? To prove that I'm pure-hearted? Yeah, right. Alright, people, get away from me. Get away from me. Like, seriously. Oh, yeah. Ghosts can be annoying, too. Yeah, I see that. Am I not blind or anything? What was that? Oh, yeah. I think you don't. Oh, right. They make meme sounds when they die. So, how has your life been? Okay, first of all,
Brother, this guy stinks!
Hey, don't call me stinks! No, that's just a meme thing. Usually the memes will... I don't know why I got a laugh. Oh, okay, are you God or something? No. Okay, then who are you? Nightwing? Who's trying to teach me lessons? Or are you just like the god of Wings of Fire Dragons or something? Well, kind of more like that. I wouldn't put it like that, but... I don't like other things. Okay, first of all, why are you laughing? Second of all, I don't even give a crap who you are and everything. And why do you want me to choose the whoa thing? Well, apparently it's funny with the shockwave and everything, the flying moon noise and everything. For the love of God. Well, he dead. Bro, be dead for after a while. You're gonna fall. Oh, never mind. I was wrong. Wanna bet? Well, I would put it like that. So, tell me who you really are, really. And tell me why you're doing this to me, and why you want to test me. Well, I want to test if you can, beat these guys. That's it? Like, you didn't want to test me in Regretivator? I'm pretty sure that's what it was called. Well, yeah. And your dad has been possessed by, like, a month. A month? Well, yeah. Ugh. No wonder why he's so greedy now. Well, yeah, so, yeah. Yeah, you're right. Why do they do that? Well, yeah. I'm gonna keep doing that to you, like, every time. What do you mean? Well, usually if someone has it, it'll show, like, random memes. Random memes. Yes, random memes. Okay, so, who are you? Are you, like, Tenso or something? No, that's a different person. It's a YouTuber, actually. Yeah, I think I've seen this video before. I think he's actually, I don't know, because I think I just saw it. Who's saying that? Sonic! Did Sonic die or something? No. It's just the memes trying to make fun of you or something. Oh, really? So the memes are making fun of me because I'm not a champion. Not everyone's a champion here, Yeah. Unless you want me to sing that song by Niani. Like, wait, that song. What song? It's a... Oh, people stop laughing at me. It's a song called, Champion by Niani and someone else. I think it's Burn Boy. Yeah, that kind of song. It's what's it called again? It's called... Sorry. It's called, well, it's called Champion, right? Yeah, Champion. Wait, where does it go? Well, it kind of actually goes like, it actually kind of just goes like, it goes like, this. Whoa, I was born for greatness. Whoa, a legend in the make. Okay, yeah, now I see what you're talking about. Yep. Yeah, go ahead, use your overkill, I don't care. Oh, you don't care if someone uses something powerful, then you. Where's this rock music coming from? Oh! I could definitely get used to this! Oh, be careful. You can if you get too attached to it. Yeah, that, Oh. You're gonna pay so much for that. Stranger, Stranger. Okay, so are you Bob, or Rob, I mean? Not Rob. Okay, then who are you? I'll tell you. Meet me in Wings of Fire once you kill the EMP. What I killed him once. You're gonna make me kill him again? And maybe kill a couple of people. Okay. There we go. So I think you meant Wings of Fire Beta earlier. Yes. Now, I'm teleporting you back here. Finally, thank God. Because, I didn't mean to select that hand. Anyway, I wanted to tell you, that I will teleport you. Just hold on for a minute. Son of a... Don't say it. Okay. Psych! Son of a...